Have you ever wondered how to invest in small-cap cryptocurrencies? This might seem like a complex world, but fret not. It's simpler than you might think. Small-cap cryptocurrencies are digital currencies with a relatively small market capitalization. They're often referred to as the underdogs of the crypto world, and while they may not have the fame of Bitcoin or Ethereum, they hold incredible potential for high returns. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. These underdogs can be volatile, and their value can fluctuate wildly. They're also more susceptible to market manipulation compared to their larger counterparts. It's important to note that this video is purely for informational purposes. It's not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to dive into the process of investing in these underdogs of the crypto world. Ready to venture into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1 is research. The crypto world is vast and varied, with countless coins vying for attention. Look for small-cap coins with solid use cases, innovative technology, and a strong team behind them. It's essential to delve deep, understand the project's vision and the problems they're solving. Always remember, good research is the backbone of successful investing. Step 2 is setting up your digital wallet. This is your personal bank for cryptocurrencies. Wallets can be hardware-based or software-based. Hardware wallets are physical devices and are considered safer, while software wallets are applications on your device. Choose one that suits your needs and level of comfort. Step 3 is purchasing coins. This is done on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges out there, each with its own set of supported coins and fee structures. Choose an exchange that supports the small cap coin you're interested in, create an account, and buy your coins. The final step is safely storing your investment. If you're not actively trading, it's best to move your coins off the exchange and into your wallet. This reduces the risk of loss from potential security breaches at the exchange. And just like that, you've taken your first steps into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Now that we've walked through the process, let's recap the key points to remember when investing in small-cap cryptocurrencies. High returns are possible, but they require careful research and a keen eye for potential. Security is paramount. Don't let your hard-earned investments fall prey to avoidable threats. Keep expanding your knowledge about cryptocurrency investing. Remember, investing in small-cap cryptocurrencies can be a rewarding venture, but it also comes with its risks. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy investing.